it's looking.
Okay.
Backyard. Good amount of backyard space.
Not a lot of them. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we're going to the model house for the duplex units inside of Silversun Estate. Now this is a 2-bedroom unit for $23 million. We took a look at a house in construction the other day, but now we're at the actual model unit right here. So let's go see what's happening.
And there are duplexes on this side only. Over here is a regular single dwelling 2 bedrooms. So this is how it's looking. It has a paved driveway. So this is why it's a duplex, because you're attached to your neighbor, but this one luckily is semi-attached because it's on the back wall that's attached, as you can see here. So you still have a window here and right here. This is the neighbor. And you get some yard space, so you can still plant and do whatever you want to do.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So a little.
It's still open.
It's the whole phone there. It's on the wall.
This material. This is for the fridge right here, I assume. Not a lot of space in the fridge cabinet. Backyard. Your back bedroom. That is your neighbor right there, because remember you're attached, so it's only the back bedroom that's attached to your neighbor. It's not the whole entire wall on this side. Good amount of space for your backyard. it gives you a washtub around here. So we have a utility closet right here, the bathroom, the front bedroom, and the back room. So let's look. This is the closet, the bathroom, shower, not a shower and bath combo. Look at the front bedroom. So you have natural light to the front and to the side. There's an AC in this bedroom here and a small closet. There's your neighbor right here. Alright, so let's go back to the back. This one is the primary bedroom, I would say, because it has that bigger closet. And this is the front yard space, so good amount of space in the front as well. Good amount of space.
51 or 52 of these. But right now on the market, in terms of readiness, it has the roof and it's just some final touches.
Yes, three. Okay.
Silversun Estate duplex unit going for 23,547 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. You can go to WIHCON.com where you'll see the details, the layout. If you've not been to the model house or if it's not enough, you can see the layout on the site. All right, so it has AC in the master bedroom, which we saw. The ceiling fan is actually in the second bedroom, which was not a part of the model house, but of course you'll get it. All right, it also mentioned having a landscape entrance, so by the time you're ready to move in, it should have all these features. And it shows you a map of where you can find it, which is between Old Harbour and Spanish Town. You can also press sign up and enter your information if you're interested. All right, so you'll need to have 10% deposit, pre-qualification letter from a financial institution, a valid ID, TRN card or TRN letter. So it's WIHCON.com.
All right. So as at right now, only 3 units are still available. There will be a lot more being made, but for units available right now, duplex units, only 3 still available. And so if you're interested in one in here, you can either get one of the 3 or wait until the others are made, because there should be a total of 52 units for the duplexes. But these that you see here with roof, out of all of these, a lot of them are already sold except 3. Okay, so if you're interested, contact WIHCON to be one of the 3, or when the next batch is ready out of the 52, you could start applying again. But of course the price will be a lot higher. It will no longer be $23 million. All right, so this has been another visit to Silversun to look at the actual model house for the duplex units on sale for $23 million. as you can see, it's a very nice, beautiful, built-up community. All right, so let me know how it goes, and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.